Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template. So what you have to do is go to Insert tab and insert a rectangle like this, and then you have to rotate it like this and put it on top left corner, and then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and place it next to the first rectangle, but you're going to make it thinner. And then you're going to duplicate it again and place it next to the second one. And here you go. Now duplicate this first rectangle and move it onto the bottom right corner of the template, and you have to duplicate it again and make it thicker this time, and you're going to duplicate it about 3 times of same distance and same size and width. You're going to place them that there are no corners left visible in the template. Now go and add a rectangle and select each of the shape that is out of the template, and then select the rectangle and then go to merge shapes and then subtract it. This way, what you're going to do is like eliminate the and remove the unwanted parts from the template. So we have to continue this process. First of all, cover the outer part of the shapes with a rectangle, and then we're going to select the inner rectangle and then the rectangle that we have added after that. And then what we're going to do is go to merge shapes and then subtract it. This will remove the outer part that is out of the template, but be sure to put the rectangle right at the outline of the slide, or the shapes from the inner template will also get removed. So you have to make sure about this. And the next thing you're going to do is repeat this process on all the 4 sides of the template. This may take time, but this will create a very beautiful and neat template with no unwanted parts and no removable parts that we don't need. So the color palette that I'm gonna use is that I have placed onto the top left corner of this template, and slowly what I'm gonna do is select each of the shape and then go to shape format and shape fill and use eyedropper to give each of them a color from my color palette. So the colors I have are navy blue, yellow, and a bright pink color and a dull sea blue color. So for now, I want to use only the vibrant colors on the between rectangles. So I'm just going to use these colors. Select all of the shapes, go and remove the outline. And go to Insert tab and insert a large circle about 15 centimeter in height and width. We're going to place it into the center and the middle of the template. Be sure to align it. Let me just increase it to an even number because I want 16 centimeter of height and width. We're going to give it an outline with a width of 6p.t, and we're going to change its outline color to white and its inner fill to gray color. Next, insert a text box in which you're going to add your header of this template, and I'm going to increase its size and then align it into the center and change its color to white and change its font and make it bold. Let's give the line some the I mean the spacing some spacing to the line. So we're gonna insert another of the text box in which we're going to write who made this slide. So currently I am making this slide, so I'll just name my channel and I'll write by slide pro, and that is how it works. And you can, by the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and you can also add it that. So for more additional things, I'm just going to change my color palette shape to circle, and then I'm going to decrease their size to 1 centimeter, and then I'm going to group them and place them right into the center and the below of the template. That was all for today in this video. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.